I was going to install the light strip in my studio, but my daughter stole them from me. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Time to add some lights to my studio. I find the back here a little dark. I have the light here for my Lego sets, like the last one here, the lunar lander, but I want to see if I can kind of pizzazz the background in my studio. So I was looking for a light system, wasn't sure if I was going to use light bulbs with different colors or a strip. I looked at a few in the past few months and I was not really happy. Then I found this Teckin light strip. It's RGB. And I know Teckin a lot because I've been buying a lot of their products and I did some reviews on my channel. Before I open the box, I want to show you on the website from the website, why I chose this light strip. It's 16.4 feet long, or 5 meters. So I thought this would cover all of the these two sides over here. There is a remote. So that is very cool. You don't need to have access to a switch or something. You can just, like in my case, I can have the remote here on my table and just use the remote to change colors. It's about $30 Canadian, which is about $20 in US. It's cuttable, so you can cut it apparently to the length that you want. Of course, 16 million colors, 10 level of brightness, I guess from the remote, 3 light modes. I don't know what the modes are, it's not clear, so I'll have to open it and see. And there is a back 3M tape to fix this solidly on whatever you want. On the website they show you can put that under the kitchen counter, for example, or even around a bed, which would be very cool. So I'm going to open the box, and as I am opening, I'm even thinking of a computer. If you have like a big case computer, you could put that around the case. So it's the first time I buy this strip. So we have here a little user manual. I'm going to look at that here and give you a summary. We have here a reel, and I'm going to open this here so that I can put this on the side of the box. It's very well packaged, that I can tell you. So we have a reel with the strip, and here we have the remote control, and we have the power supply, and we have here a couple of connectors. So as you can see, very, very well packaged. So the reel, the remote control, strips, and the power supply. What's good about the packaging is that when I got the box right away, if you look at the back here, it says US plug. So I know that right there before I open the box, it's going to be the right power supply. So there's also a version for the European plug and a BS plug. I forgot what BS is. Only not Baltic Sea, no? Okay. Probably Asia, I would guess. And yeah, so very nice packaging. So guys, I'm going to open this here, and we will connect it and see how that works. There's a little piece of tape over here. The remote there's a battery already, so there is a plastic here that you need to pull to activate or to open the connectors for the battery. We have here connectors, and this is probably, I'm just guessing here, probably when you cut it. So I'm going to have a look at the manual, guys, and I'll be back in a second with a summary, and I'll connect this and we'll see how it works. So I had a quick look at the manual. It's in multi-languages, by the way. Very simple to use. So basically, there's a section on the remote. So in some modes, you can control the intensity. In some other mode, you can control the brightness. So we'll try that. How to cut, apparently. I don't know if I can show that on camera. There are places on the strip where they show scissor signs. So this is where you can cut with the scissors. And the back here you can see the 3M tape. And when you cut with scissors, you have the connectors here to reconnect two pieces together. And and the remote has a range of 5 meters. It's infrared, so you cannot be like super far away and expect to control your lights around the TV, for example. So it's 5 meters, about 15 feet. So still, that's a good distance. So I have power over here, and basically you have the receiver in this part here. So you put the power over here. There you go. And I think I'm going to use my top camera here to show you. And I don't even need to turn off the lights around me, but this looks promising. So off, on. So I just put the strip on my table here, and we will try the remote and see what kind of mode we can get in colors. So we have white, we have blue, green, and red, and we have 15 colors. So we have yellow, we have like a cyan, we have like a mauve, and we have 4 modes. I think I said 3 before, but the remote has 4. That could be a typo on the website, I'm not sure. But flash mode, and then we can change, in this case, the speed. Not the brightness or intensity, but the speed. There is the strobe mode, and we can increase the speed of the strobe, just like that. This is very cool. I hope this shows well on the camera. We have fade. Again, we can go faster or slower. This is very slow now. And the last mode is smooth. This is fast, I guess. I'll go slow. Yeah, this is slow now. And when you select a color like red, then you can change the intensity, as you see now. You have 10 intensities for each color. So wow, this is very nice. I'm going to try something here. I'm going to switch to blue, and I'm going to see if I can use that, what kind of effect I could get if I was to use this and the cable is long enough here. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, look at that here. I could put that under my shelf here, just like that, all around. I think that would be great. And what do you think, guys? I have a survey question to ask you. What color should I use as background over there? Mind you, I can change the color on the fly with my remote. Just look at that. Look at that. This is like, I am very, very impressed. And the I don't want the color that is too bright to show on camera, maybe red. And the build quality, there is 3M tape, like I said, all in the back. But the build quality, the rubber in here, it's very, very nice. I'm trying to focus on the camera a bit better, as you can see here. Amazing. And like I said, I'm actually very surprised by like how nice these LEDs are. So guys, let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.